You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing name of this island in Croatia. There's also a software, music, that is named this way, but generally it's the name of an island in Croatia. If you want to learn more names from Croatian, stay tuned. In Croatian, the pronunciation is as Krk. So essentially you can add an A or a U after the first K, Krk. Therefore in English, this is generally referred to as the Krk Island, Krk, or in Croatian, Krk. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.